Journey completed. What's next? By this point, you've completed entire journey from basic market understanding to building own trading system. Now you have market structure understanding, ability to determine trend and flat, skill working with levels and zones of interest, understanding price behavior and patterns, clear entry algorithm, risk management rules. But there's important point. Having strategy isn't result yet. Result appears only after verification and execution discipline. If you're following our course, subscribe to channel and check out Strifor's Telegram, daily market updates, link in description. Step 1. Testing strategy on history. Before moving to real trading, strategy must be checked. Simplest way, manual test on history. Open chart and sequentially find minimum 20 to 30 situations that match your setup. For each trade record, was entire algorithm executed? Where was entry? Where was stop? Where was target? What result obtained? Important, don't choose only beautiful situations. Take everything that matches rules. Goal, get honest picture. Step 2. Forming statistics. After testing, you get main thing, numbers. We'll see. Percentage of profitable trades, average loss, average profit, loss series. And exactly here, professional approach begins. Stop guessing and start relying on data. Here, different combinations of profitable trading possible. For example, win rate 50 to 60% and profit to risk ratio 1.5 to 1. Or 30 to 40% win rate with ratio above 3 to 1. For long-term strategies can even be 20% win rate. Only 2 profitable trades out of 10, but with ratio more than 5 to 1. That is, for $100 risk planned profit, not less than $500. Of course, strategies with low win rate create additional psychological pressure, but effective for catching long-term trends. Here, stability important not only of system, but also of trader as executor. Step 3. Transition to real trading. Next stage, strategy launch. Here, important to maintain graduality. Start with minimum risk or demo account. Use volume where you calmly perceive losses. With demo account, open account with deposit, similar to how you plan to trade on real account. Need to psychologically get used to risks, get used to numbers. Your task at this stage, not to earn, but to learn to execute system without deviations. And important, if you can't follow rules on small volume, on large, it will be impossible. Try on Strifor demo account right now, link in description. Step 4. Discipline and repeatability. Biggest mistake, start changing strategy after first failures. If system tested and has statistical advantage, it must be executed. Result appears not in one trade but on series. Each deviation from rules destroys statistics. Therefore, main trader skill, not searching new ideas, but ability to follow own system. Step 5. Working with mistakes. Mistakes will happen. This is normal, but important to separate system mistakes and execution mistakes. If mistake in system, it needs refinement. If mistake in execution, need to work on discipline. And these are 2 different processes. Final assignment, journal and statistics. Goal, move from theory to real system through numbers and discipline. Step 1. Start trading journal. Create simple journal in Excel, Google Sheets, or any convenient format. For each trade record, date and instrument, market state, trend or flat, zone of interest, pattern or entry logic, entry point, stop loss, target, risk in percent, trade result, comment. Was algorithm followed? Important, journal is not formality. This is your main development tool. Step 2. Strategy run on history. Before trading, test strategy manually. Open chart and sequentially go through minimum 30 trades, strictly by system rules. Fill journal as if really trading. Important, don't choose beautiful trades. Take everything that matches conditions. Record both profit and losses. Step 3. Statistics analysis. After filling journal, calculate percentage of profitable trades, average profit and average loss, maximum loss series, total drawdown. And here most important begins. Suppose you got series of 10 losing trades in row. If risk per trade is 1%, this means expected drawdown can reach about 10%. If for you this is too big load, this isn't strategy problem. This is risk adjustment question. For example, at risk 1% drawdown 10%, at risk 0.5% drawdown about 5%. This way, you adjust system to your psychological comfort. Step 4. Transition to real trading. After test, move to practice, either on demo account or small real account. Main rule at this stage, your task not to earn, but to collect real statistics. Continue keeping journal and recording each trade. Step 5. System formation. Continue until you accumulate statistics. Statisticians recommend about 200 trades for full reliable sample, but even 30 to 50 trades already give understanding. How strategy works, what its drawdown, how you behave in real trading. Main thought, don't build system on feelings, build system on numbers. Exactly statistics gives confidence in strategy, in risk size, in your actions. Final words, let's sum up. You don't have to earn from first trade, don't have to show perfect result. Your task, build process. Strategy, test, statistics, discipline, result. Exactly in this order. Trading is not quick path. This is profession where result comes through understanding, practice, and self-control. You already did hardest thing, figured out foundation. Further, everything depends on how honestly you follow your system. Market will always give opportunities, but only one who acts consistently will take them. Don't strive for perfect trades. Strive for right decisions. Right trade is trade that fully matches algorithm logic. And remember, in long-term game winner is not who guessed or made right forecast, but who can manage risk and repeat actions. If you reach this stage, you already did more than most. Now, everything decided not by information, but by discipline. Journal, statistics, risk control, repetition. Exactly this cycle turns beginner into trader. Work by system, collect data, draw conclusions, and result will become pattern, not accident. Success in trading.